You know what is funny? Everyone in crypto is talking about Monad right now, and most people have absolutely no idea what it actually is. They just see the name everywhere. They see the purple logo, they see people going crazy about it on Twitter, and they think, okay, should I care about this? Well, yes, you should. Do not worry about it. Your brother Charlie is here to break it all down for you. Let us go back to basics for a second. Ethereum changed everything when it launched. It gave us smart contracts, it gave us DeFi, NFTs, all of that. But Ethereum has one big problem that never went away. It is slow. When too many people use it at the same time, gas fees shoot up and transactions take forever. The network just cannot keep up. Developers have been frustrated with this for years. Monad looked at that problem and said, we can fix this. Not by building on top of Ethereum, but by building a completely new chain from scratch. One that is its own independent layer 1. But here is the clever part. Every tool that works on Ethereum, MetaMask, Uniswap, all your smart contracts, they all work on Monad too. No rewriting, no learning new code, just plug in and go. Now the speed difference is where things get real. Ethereum handles around 15 transactions per second. Monad handles 10,000, and each transaction confirms in under 1 second. That is not a small improvement. That is a completely different world. How does Monad do this? Think of a normal blockchain like one cashier at a supermarket. One person at a time, one transaction at a time. Monad opens up hundreds of counters simultaneously. Multiple transactions run at the same time, and the system is smart enough to figure out which ones can run together without causing any problems. This is called parallel execution, and Monad built their own custom engine to do it better than anyone else. On top of that, they built their own database from the ground up. Their own custom agreement system between validators. Nothing was borrowed. Everything was engineered for speed. Now let us talk about where things stand right now. Monad launched its mainnet in November 2025. Before that, they raised $225 million from some of the biggest names in venture capital. The public token sale happened on Coinbase, first time Coinbase ever hosted something like that. The token is called MON. You use it to pay fees on the network, to stake, and to participate in governance. Right now, in May 2026, MON just entered the top 15 trending on CoinGecko. Big DeFi protocols jumped on board within days of launch. Uniswap, Curve, Morpho, all deployed on Monad early. Chainlink is live, providing price data. The foundation even bought a payments company called Portal to build a full stablecoin payments layer on the chain. Hackathons are happening worldwide, but Charlie is not going to hype you without giving you the real picture too. Monad is still young. The number of validators running the network is relatively small right now compared to Ethereum, so decentralization is still a work in progress. There is a big token unlock coming later this year in November for early investors and the team, which could add selling pressure. And like any new network, it still needs more time to prove itself under heavy real-world usage. So what is Monad in plain, simple words? It is what Ethereum would be if someone rebuilt it from scratch today, with speed as the #1 priority. Same compatibility, same tools, same developer experience, but 10,000 transactions per second, near zero fees, and confirmation in under a second. That is the pitch. And so far, the builders are showing up, the money is coming in, and the ecosystem is growing. Whether Monad becomes the dominant chain of this cycle, that is still an open question. But ignoring it completely right now would be a mistake. Now you know what it is, how it works, and what to actually watch out for. That is why Charlie is here. See you in the next one.